subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you to all who are listening to my channel, to my tutorials. And today I want to show you or to give you a tutorial how to book a cab conveniently. Now it will depend with the choice of your company that you love. And here from this case of tutorial, I use one of the main online cabs which you can use to book a cab. On this case, I will demonstrate using Uber. I'll give you more details on how when you book a cab, the procedures that you take to create your account and for you to get a cab conveniently without issues with the drivers. Now, just go to Play Store. If you are new, if you have no any app on your phone, for example, let me use Uber. So I'll download Uber app. On this case, I'm downloading Uber, not Uber driver, but Uber for passengers. Then we install the app. After installing, please remember to put all your details on your app, because these details determine how the driver will take your request and how he offer a good service to you. Now on this part, I mean, when creating your account, please remember to indicate your phone number, your contact, which you use always. Then remember to choose a convenient way which you offer payment. On this part, many drivers always love cash payment. Now, as the app installs, I'm trying to give you some details how you get a cab or a driver when you request a trip without issues, and you get a good driver with hopes and you enjoy your trip. Now, when you install the app, please open it. My app is installing. I want just to show you practically how you can put your details, how you can create your account when you want to request a cab conveniently. Now, the app is installing. It is taking a lot of time, so please stay on watch, follow my tutorial, listen to my tutorial, and when you are live to a point where you need a cab, when you follow my instructions, when you follow my tutorials, you get a cab without any issues from a driver who will get your request. I'm trying to install my app, then I demonstrate how to create your account. It is taking a lot of time, but as it installs, it is installing. It is taking a lot of time. Sorry for that. I think my internet is slow. Yes, it has installed. Then here is now a tutorial how to create your account. As the app, since it has installed in my phones, you open. I'm demonstrating using Uber. Then get started. Now, on this part, creating your account, please, I'll urge you to give your original number, the number that you always use. On this case, give your original number, because this is the number that is shown to drivers when they check your request. Click continue. Then there is a code which always sent to your app. Now the app is ready, but now here you can request a ride, but there are some information that you have to put on your profile for a driver to take a request without issues, without confrontation. On this part, I had an Uber passenger app in my phone, so it has all my details. So for my tutorial, I want to show you how to create your account. Now, first part, on your account, please give your original names. Please don't use fake names. You will give your original names, your verified number, then a bit of email, then your password. After that, you are ready to go. Now, how to request a cab. On this part, when you want to go somewhere, you just click here, or since we have different categories depending with the apps, you can maybe you want a ride, you want to send a package, you want some grocery, or also some reserve. Now, if you want a ride, just click on ride. Then, many of the apps automatically choose your location. On this part, please don't interfere with the original pick point of the app, because this is the point where the app has taken. It is the point which the driver uses to locate your place. If you interfere with this part, a driver may take your request, but since you have interfered with your PIN or the location, your location where you are, a driver may get some issues to get you. Then, what you need only, after the app has located your PIN, just indicate where you want to go. You have many places. For my case, I can choose this one for my tutorial. Then, on this other part, you have different categories of vehicles. Many apps has got many categories of vehicles. On this tutorial, for example, on this app, I have ChapChap, Border, UberX. Now, we have many others: Uber Assist, UberX, Connect, etc. Now, on this part, please, for you to have a convenient ride, choose a category depending with the number of passengers. For example, on this part, you can see if you take this category known as ChapChap, you are only required to be 2 passengers. When you want Bonda, you know that a Bonda is only required to carry only 1 passenger. When you take Uber X is only required to take 2 passengers. We have Uber Assist, which is also not only required to carry only 2 passengers. Now, many of you make a mistake. You are a group of 4, then you take, since this category known as Chap Chap, it has the least fare, you choose Chap Chap. On this case, if you are 3 or if you are 4, a driver will take your request, but finally, when he or she arrives to your destination and meets you are more than the required number of passengers, he or she will decline or you will cancel your request. That is one part of choosing the right category for when requesting your cab. Now, on this other part, I show you we have different methods of payment. On this case, it has displayed cash, but when you click here, we have different types of payments. You can use cash or you can use credits. Now, on the part of credit, if you have your bank account details, you can load there so that all the fares after your trip will be deducted from your bank account. Now, on the other part of the trip, for example, let me choose or let me request Uber Chap Chap. When I click on Uber Chap Chap, I have to confirm. To confirm that I need a driver, I need a cab. Now, that is all for today. You have created your account ready to get a cab. The next tutorial, I'll show you how after requesting a cab, how a driver picks your request, how he or she navigates to get you, and what you are supposed to do. Maybe you have requested a cab, then you have decided otherwise. You are not going. Now, what you are supposed to do on this case, please cancel your request. For the driver who has received your request to have a room to get another request. Another thing, please, when you request a ride, remember to call your driver. Don't wait for the driver to call you. Maybe he or she has no credit at the moment. You can call him to know if he or she is coming. And on this part, we have many different options in the app to call. You can either write an SMS through the app, you can call through the app, or you can call directly using mobile. Now, for the next tutorial, I'll show you how it goes when you click confirm, how a driver receives your request, how he or she navigates to get you until the end of your trip. Thank you for listening. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go and subscribe. Thank you all. Bye.